Kain tayo mga kachika. It's our Christmas dinner. Ito lang pala. Hindi ko na... Good morning mga kachika. Ito pa yung part 2 ng ating Christmas. Dali, be. Ano daw ni Alina yung kanyang... Which side you want to go? Left? Okay. Because you are left.
Mama, yeah, because I'm left-handed. I want to go in the coolie.
You're gonna go it's closed today.
What? Why?
Because it's Christmas Day. People stay home for Christmas Day and doing...
No, I want to go to coolie.
Getting ready for Christmas.
I want to go to the coolie.
Next week.
But it's open. That's not.
Yeah, it's closed today. Where's your watch?
Mama,
Where? Yeah.
so don't wear that for school.
Oh, you don't want your watch. You wear it for
I'm gonna
school.
wear it to school.
Red, red.
Wait, skinny color.
Okay. Don't make it very tight. It's not good. See? Nice. Then.
How about going at the dinosaur picture?
Where's dinosaur adventure?
You know, there's the jumping therapy.
Out there.
Yeah.
It's closed. They only open if it's summertime. They only go there if summertime. Like they go to Pengton, go to Tenmo. That the same people go in there.
How
But
about
the
going
dinosaur is still there.
Mama, it's too loud.
What?
The noise is too loud.
Where?
What?
Which one?
The mouth.
The mouth?
Yeah, it's so loud.
Whose mouth? Whose mouth? Loud.
I think you. It's too loud.
I'm sorry.
I think you're screaming in her ear.
No, I didn't scream. I was only talking. But
Can
it is
I do my
too
hair
loud.
straight?
Yeah, later na. For our Christmas dinner. Merry Christmas, everyone! I have something for you. So, gagawa na po nito mga kachika. Yung ating kinayod. Nilabas ko na to kagabi sa freezer. So, tamang-tama, malambot na siya. Naghahanap ako ng, ito, nandito lang pala. Lagyan ko na siya ng cream, mayonnaise, tsaka ito nga lang mga kachika. Very simple lang. Salad na din to kasi naghalo-halo naman. Pwede nga din sana ako magawa ng fruit salad. So, ito na lang kasi mas masarap yung buko ba. Minsan lang makakain. Ganon. Oh, pala kung may plastic pa pala. Pwede kukunin ko siya ng water mga kachika kaya medyo may tubig-tubig siya. Kaunti lang pala ito. Dapat pa nagbili pa ako ng isang ganito. Amuyin nga natin. Okay naman yung amoy. Marami lang pala yung sabaw. Inumin natin yung sabaw. Masarap yung sabaw. Matamis. Pero hindi talaga siya fresh kasi frozen na to eh. Yan. Sakto lang din to na hindi gaano maraming mga kachika. Ay, bakit ko binalik dyan? Hindi marami, super dami mga kachika kasi ako lang naman yung kakain nito. Kaya minsan, hindi ako ba mahilig maggawa-gawa ng mga ganito-ganito. Kasi hindi man kumakain yung aking mga kasama. Oh. Ilalagay ko na lang to sa fridge. Kasi nabuksan na siya. Yeah, refrigerate after opening. So, pwede pala siya maano mga kachika. Masalin-salin ba? Ano ba yung Tagalog sa masalin-salin? Uy! 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 Uy!
Oi, where's Oi? Guy mask. Guy mask.
Ow!
This ready?
Ayun.
Ready? Oh, catch my bike. Ready? Okay, now
Marami din siyang laman ba? Yan. Pang ano lang ba ito mga kachika ba? Tambal lang sa ano, kauhaw. So, ito na yan. Ganyan na natin. Wala na pala kaming can opener kasi di ba may binili ako noon ng can opener mga kachika. Tinapon ko na siya kasi meron siyang may ano na ba? Ano siya, rusty. May tawag sa rusty. Kalawang na. Kaya ito na lang. Kasi alam ko may mag-comment naman dyan na bakit wala kang can opener. Gaya last time, di ba? Kaya bumili ako. Nakabili na ako, nagamit din namin ng ilang beses. Na yun na, nakalawang na. Nung naglilinis ako dyan sa, sa drawer. Nakalawang na, tinapon ko na kay. Ayaw ko nang gamitin yun. Hindi ko lang muna tubusin isang buo na. Kaya baka sobrang tamis. Ayaw ko din na sobrang tamis. Marami-rami din pala. Lagyan ko siya ng cream mga kachika. Double cream. Kasi wala man ditong all-purpose cream. So ito na lang yung double cream. Ideal for pouring. So, medyo mas watery lang nga lang to. Compare sa... Oh, hindi naman watery gaano. Okay din naman. Yan lang muna. I'm so excited.
What is that?
Maging salad. Isi. Buko salad. Ubusin ko na lang pala mga kachika yung kaong mga kachika. Kayo, medyo ano, parang hindi siya gaanong ano ba, colorful. Gusto ko yung colorful yung salad. Go yun, where?
After fun fair? No, we're not going to fun fair today.
Everything is closed today.
Everything?
Mm-hmm.
How about Sainsbury's?
Yeah.
I want to go to Century soon. And I want to bring my baby at the shopping cart.
Oh, yeah. Oh, mas maganda pala mga kachika. Tingnan nyo, oh. Mas masarap na siya. Mas marami na siyang, ano ba, laman-laman. Ganyan. Mas maganda pala. Ito pa pala yung tira ng, ano mga kachika, yung condensed milk. Hindi ko lahat inubos kay sobrang dami, oh. Ayoko din sobrang tamis. Tamang-tamang tamis lang. Okay na ako.
Elf look like that.
That's nice.
Gonna have a fun Christmas.
Fun then.
Because Daddy's asleep. Like that. You know why I put the elf in the lip? Because you're gonna stick it. You're gonna put it in your lip.
When you put the stuffing?
No, that's only an hour and a half.
See you later. Sage and onions, mga kachika.
Medium peg. That's good.
Can you cut it?
Put in there now.
Huh?
Put in there.
Yeah.
Can you cut it?
Give me, B.
Hey, Joe, can you cut it for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, give us some.
You got a
Maybe
cushion
some-
strawberry shake, Mama?
Oh, give me that. It's too hot, that, for my hands. Give me the thing. Yeah. Yeah, be careful now. There's a lot of raw meat around it. I've used that for raw meat, you know.
I sterilize it.
Alright.
Sterilize it. Ito na yung alaka. Ito na yung stuffing na ginawa niya, mga kachika. Parang embutido ba sa akin ba? Ganon. Ganyan siya. Tapos lalagyan. Oh, ito na pala. Well,
That way.
longer na. Tapos,
Right.
That.
assistant lang ako dito. You're moving so much to the table.
Hey.
So, patapos na kayo, mga kachika. Yan na lang. I-roast. Tapos yung potatoes. And then, gagawa si Mr. ng Yorkshire
Okay.
pudding. Yan na lang yung last na, ano niya, lulutuin namin. That's the last one, Daddy, no?
What?
Then the vegetables. That's it, no?
That's it. Finished. Yeah.
Magpo 4 o'clock yan. So, by
5 minutes.
6 p.m., ready na yung food namin.
Okay.
But you have to pag dyan pa, okay? Yan yung ating table settings, mga kachika. Nagkagulo na kay pinag-ano na ng mga bata kay ano na daw sila, kakain na. Nagmadali na kaso matagal na luto yung aming meat. So, ganyan lang. Ating food.
If you don't eat your food, there's no cracker.
Yes, not nothing. Project.
Okay, Bob.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
How's the bacon? Kain nila yung balat, mga kachika. Kasi hiniwalay namin yung pagluto yung balat o pinakrispy namin yung balat ba. Good, no? Good. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, ah! Alisa, eh.
It's tight.
Oh.
It's a paper towel. It's very. My hands are greasy.
Say Merry Christmas, dali. Cheers. Merry
Christmas.
Christmas! Merry Christmas na! Merry Christmas, ah!
Nice, no?
It's good. I don't mind. Like ice. I don't mind.
It's not it.
Kain tayo, mga kachika. It's our Christmas dinner. Ito yung pala. Hindi ko pala nilabas yung salad kasi ako lang naman kakain nun. I said I got buko salad.
Yeah.
Look at food.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
This one as well. Bloody hell.
We didn't have pork. Last time you drink that and you drink pork as well.
Yeah? I did. Disgusting. Yeah, it's too much there.
Crawling up. Sarap. To the pork. Ang stuffing na ginawa niya mga kachika, yung nag-blend ba kami kanina ng bread, tapos yung sausage meat na rin, no? Masarap. Tapos nilagyan niya ng sage, pepper, salt, onions, yun lang. Masarap. Yung parang embutido na nga siya. I think magra-rice ako. One more of this one. Ito lang para ano yun.
Bacon. I don't want bacon, she said. I don't want bacon.
Ang sarap. Berikut nyo.
Huh?
There you go.
Crunchy. Huh?
I can't see my button. I hit ya. Oh, see it. I want to see it. I hit ya. I see it.
Oh, we nearly
After
finished.
shower, and then go. That's the
Okay. One. Pull that one.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Oh, Aline is the winner. Kaya, oh, look at that. They're nice. Kirin, Kitchens. Wow, they give nice now, Daddy. Because it's 20 pounds.
Cost. Well then.
Just keychain.
Kitchens and this one.
Oh,
Oh, you got hot as well.
it's gold.
So it's nice, no? Maybe if you buy the rubbish one, they just give you rubbish.
And you. I don't call gold. Gold.
Come on, you want to do it.
Okay. Dali sa.
Let's do it. Mama, do it. Daddy do it. Mama do it.
Okay.
Daddy
Which
do
songs
it.
is Wizard favorite Christmas
Okay,
trap? Jingle spells.
Help her, Mama. Help her.
Oh.
Okay, wait lang.
Help her.
Okay. Oh, Alisa is the winner.
There you go, the winner.
It's a balok what inside sa. Wow, magaganda pala yung ano. That's why Alina said there is a coin.
No.
What's inside? You said there's a coin earlier.
It's a coin.
Let them do it.
Let them do it na lang?
Yeah,
Okay.
let them.
Let's do it together, ready, Lisa?
Okay, you and Alisa, play.
Here, try it. And the
Hey,
key.
don't cover the camera lagi. Always cover
You
the
have it.
Okay, there.
Okay, here you go, Lisa. Ready? Daddy.
Okay.
There.
Okay, good. Go, Lisa.
Yeah, you do it, Alina. Alisa.
I'll do myself then.
No, you need somebody to do it.
Okay, dali, we do it again. So I can have my hat as well.
Go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
What's this, Daddy?
What's that? I don't know.
It's a lip balm.
Where's the lip balm?
Tape measure.
Tape measure. Wow, it's nice.
It's gold.
Wow! Ang gaganda ng mga pinamigay nila dati. Dati, they only give toys, Daddy, no?
It's a yo-yo. It's a yo-yo.
Tape measure, mga kachika. Ang gaganda ng mga pinagbibigay nila ngayon. Kasi nga, 20 pounds yung pagbili din namin nito. Ganon. So, the more pala na money yung the expensive one, yes, the better one, magaganda. Unlike pag bibili ka na yung tag 15 pounds, yung ibibigay nila, puro lang mga laro-laruan na pang tapon-tapon na pang mga laruan ba. So, unlike dito, may
This
pangganong
special you, Lisa. Ready?
tapos may kitchen, caring, ganon. Yung ka. Kaso ano lang siya, 8 pieces lang din to.
Come on then, another one.
Okay,
Yeah.
you and me, Danny.
Whoa, you scared me.
Oh, na ano naman, amazed naman ako nito.
I
Yes,
tried it.
Hello, Clippers!
Ready?
Ala! Bawi din sa ano. May na-enjoy ka pa, tapos may ano ka pa. Oh, read that one. Oh, I read this one. Why are Santas when they're in good shape? Because they stick to a stable diet.
Okay, ready? Go.
Stable diet.
1, 2,
help you, Sam? 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Alina is the winner. And what's inside? Okay, you read that, Daddy. Oh.
On more, Daddy.
Okay, there's 2 more, Daddy.
This, Daddy.
More
How does
kitchens!
Spanish sheep say Mary?
Wow, ang dami na namin kitchens, mga kachika. Magaganda.
Wow.
Huh? How do Spanish sheep say Merry Christmas?
No.
Feliz Navidad, please.
At
Feliz
least
Navidad. Feliz Navidad.
There's
Ta-ta-da-da-da.
crackers.
Feliz Navidad.
What was that? What was the
Ta-ta-da-da.
thing she had?
How do
Spa.
Spa is spa and what you call the people in Spain?
Spanish?
Yeah.
Spanish. That's right.
Huh?
Spanish?
No,
Spanish sheep. Sing. That song is from the Philippines or Spain?
We sing also that song in the Philippines.
Some words in
Philippines is same with the
Spanish.
Spain that you know.
yeah.
Mm.
Because the Spanish people a long time ago went to Philippines. A long time ago. Some of the people there kept their language.
Yeah.
Oops.
Done.
It's all the same, isn't it?
No, most of them are plain,
Hey!
not chocolate. Panettone is
Chocolate.
fruit, dried fruit cake.
Birthday cake.
Ooh, birthday cake daw, sabi ni Alisa.
Birthday cake.
Is it birthday cake?
It's not birthday cake. It's a cake. It's a
Excited talaga yung mga batang ito sa Christmas cake. Tawag nila nito mga kachika. Christmas cake. That one there. This one. What's that one? Wow! Yummy! Oh, it's a bit wet here. Oh, it's melting the chocolate.
It's the melting. I want to try this one.
Can't be melting, it's so cold.
Under.
Now.
It is.
No, it's not. I don't believe it.
Naku, Percival.
It tastes
Can't be
melted.
melting. How can it be melting? It's too
That
cold.
tastes melted. Mom's not egglet. Egglet. How do you say it? Egglet.
Elegant.
Egglet. Egglet.
Eggland.
Egglet.